ko na talaga siya. Announcement na. Announcement na talaga, dear. Ah, alam pamilya yung gown niya. Announcement na. Top 10. Go.
That is right. And
Top
the
10
names
announcement.
going to stop
Go.
these amazing women. Give it up for them.
Ay,
At all.
ay bongga,
And of
oh.
course, not even period pains. Because you know what? Not all people are aware, but menstrual health is a crucial aspect of women's health and overall well-being. And it's
Ano na
important to
naman?
understand and support the
Ang
physical
tagal na
and
nga
emotional
eh.
challenges that come
Charis.
with it. So it's a thing that Miss Universe Philippines and Buscopan Venus
Ay,
support
Buscopan.
and empower Filipinas to perform
Best
their
in
best,
Buscopan
even
pa
in
pala.
uncomfortable
Siyempre,
situations.
thank you sa
These
sponsor. Ang ganda
incredible
ng
women have
stage
proven
natin.
that they can
Hindi mo
overcome
maano-ano.
anything and they can put a period to anything
Hindi
that
mo
is stopping
maano-ano
them
ang
from
stage
doing what they
natin
love.
ng Miss
All's
Universe.
ready to take on the universe. Amazing.
Ay, amazing.
These ladies
Yun ang
truly
talagang
demonstrate
si
that nothing can stop
amazing.
them from winning tonight. But the journey of 10 out of our top 10
Ayan na.
delegates will end now
Top
as
10.
we announce the top 10.
Wow. Diyos ko daw. Diyos ko daw.
May I have
Top
the
10.
results? Official validator from consultancy firm Tax Services Inc.,
Go.
represented by attorney Adrian Bustos, with results overseen certified public accountant Ms. Jeline Hernandez.
Top 10 na, dear.
Very exciting.
Kinakabahan na ako.
This is it. Thank you so much. Precious, you trust us. You trust us with this.
Oh my
You
God.
trust us. All right, let's get it on. Thank
Let's
you,
get it
Adrian
on.
Bustos.
Oh my God.
I hear you.
Oh my
I know
God.
this is such a heart-pounding moment.
Oo nga, kinakabahan ako.
Philippines, are you ready to meet your top 10?
Ready na. Ready na talaga. As in. Go.
The energy is crazy. Just a little reminder now, your vote counts. So the moment we call the names of your favorite delegates, go to the MUPH app and vote, vote, vote. What did I ask you to do? There is no time to waste. Thank you. All right, Jeannie. Let's get it on. Let's go, baby.
Okay.
This is in no particular order.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Quezon Province, Iloilo, Zambales.
First,
Kailangan ko sila makapasok.
top 10.
Kailangan sila makapasok. Silang tatlo. Go.
Cebu.
Ay! Cebu at nag-loading pa sila. Ang MUPH mismo ang nag-loading talaga, dear. Ang MUPH talaga, pasok si Cebu. Si Tiffany Johnson.
All right.
Pasok.
Cebu, are you ready for your question? Very ready.
Ay, bakit may question?
Let's hit it. Okay, so some of these questions are to get to know your personality, and some of them is because Jeannie is a little nosy. So I want to know, girl, what is one behind-the-scene pad secret that you can share with the world?
Ay,
Oh, this is one secret that I love to share to everybody. All the girls, well, not all really, but a lot of the girls call me ate, our big sister. When I entered into the pageant, I was kind of...
oo, kasi before, sumali na
I was a bit
to.
shy when these girls would call me ate because it would show my age. But now that I'm
Sumali na to
very,
before
very
eh.
proud of it because they look up to me. They look up to me and share beautiful stories. And this is one thing I'm very,
Para siyang si
very proud of.
Jenny Miller.
Is here.
Your ate is here. I love that.
Sweet.
Cebu!
So good.
Ayaw talaga patalo ng mga Cebuana.
All right.
Hindi talaga sila papatalo,
You know what I like
be.
about that?
Yeah?
That Ate's age is still a secret. That's a good beauty
I
secret.
love it.
That's
Love
what-
it.
All right.
Next.
Up next, you are a step closer to the crown.
Sino? Chas.
Ilo.
Oh my God! Ilo, bakit naglo-loading pag tinatawag? Ano ba yan? Ilo, pasok sa top 10. Oh my God. Go girl, slay. Slay lang ng slay.
All
Ganun.
right, I see this crowd is ready for you. Are you ready for the question? Let's do it. Now, if you could hit the rewind button in your MUPH journey,
Oh.
what moment would you play back?
Yung kanina na swimsuit.
Well, every day that I get to spend with these girls are the most amazing to my lives. But if there's one moment that I want to go back, probably those days that we were in Sultan Kudarat when we did a national costume in there. Though all of the girls were really exhausted, that's when we see the sisterhood that is in there.
Oo.
So this is really more of like a
Dahil,
celebration for us.
ang galing niya talaga, dahil. alam mo yung negative, tinutur niya into positive. Pagpunta daw sila and everything. Actually, wala akong maintindihan. Kasi ang galing niya mag-English. Kasi English siya. Ganun.
Your next spot
Chika lang.
is for you.
Quezon Province. Zambales. Palawan, maganda rin. Ay, puta ka. Bulacan. Ay, nagmamadali. Nagmamadali si Bulacan. Ayaw paawat. Ayaw paawat ni
Okay,
Bulacan.
Miss Bulacan, are you ready for your question? Let's do this. I want to know, what are you looking forward to? You had the choice, not being able to wear heels or getting your favorite food delivered to you
Ay.
anytime, any day, wherever you are in the world.
So one of the things that I also want to share here is that I love to eat ice cream. It's one of my comfort foods.
Okay.
So behind the stage, whenever I get to eat ice creams while wearing my heels, is both things that I actually like to share with you guys. So it's a both win for me.
Seeing how you walked earlier, I got the visual. The ice cream and the heels, that's a secret. Thank you so much. Because you got the strut. He's sassy.
Pinipili na nila.
Thank you, Bulacan. Up next, you are a step closer to the crown. Taki!
Takig! Alam mo, pag minimension talaga yung, naglo-loading siya eh. Naglo-loading siya pag minimension. Halata ko lang. Nanggigigil ako. Nanggigigil ako. GG era to eh.
Wow. All right, congratulations. Are you ready for your question?
G.
Let's go.
Ready na si Maring, Takig.
During the
Pasok si
pageant, what is
Takig.
the one thing that you missed most?
Ang dark ng makeup ni Takig.
It would very much be, and I'm sure my girl would agree, spending quality time with family and friends. Because fortunately, we get to spend time with one another, but we do miss out on moments because so consumed with the pageant. But soon enough, we're all going to be able to spend time with them again. So we're looking forward to that for sure.
Taray niya talaga.
And they're cheering
Ayaw niya
on.
talaga
You
pakabo.
know it. Thank you so much.
Go.
Thank you, Tagig.
Kung gusto mo yan, Takig, go.
You are still part of the competition.
Sino na naman yan? Diyos. Pektado si Akla.
Bacoor!
Bacoor. Of course. Of course. Of
Okay, you
course.
look ready for your question. Oh, I'm not even gonna ask you. Let's go. What is it? Okay, after tonight, who in the entire world are you looking forward to spending your time with?
Ay,
So a lot of you will know that in 2021, my parents were not able to come and watch me compete in Miss Universe Philippines. But I am so proud to know that they are sitting right over there.
oh my
I
God.
am so looking forward to spending as much time with them as possible, especially given it's Dad's first time back in the Philippines in 10 years. So welcome back, Dad.
Parents.
Hi, Dad. Hi, parents. Mahal kita.
Mahal
Aw,
kita.
That's so sweet. Thank you,
Okay.
Bacoor.
Bacoor.
These
What's
are
next?
good. I want to hang out with everybody.
I know, I
Y'all are
love
so
it.
cool. They're so fun. All right. 5 spots left, and you're still
5 na lang?
in.
Palawan sa ba? O diba, naglalag talaga pag pagdating sa ano tawag? Dinuduktor ba yan? Charis. Pampanga! Oh my God, I'm rooting for Pampanga as well. I love it. I'm rooting for her, in fairness.
Hello.
Tangkad!
Congrats. You ready to do this? I'm ready to.
Hindi man lang siya
Let's go.
binibigyan ng microphone itong
Okay,
MC.
so we want to know, you can't
Anong
always
post
have good
pala?
days here. So when you're not feeling your best, who did you call or what did you do to feel better?
You know, when I'm not feeling at my best, I would always call my sisters. I have 52 lovely sisters behind my back, and every time I feel down, whenever people would always question my capacity, there will always be 52 lovely
Talaga?
sisters
Friends niya
in my
lahat?
heart who will always push me
Friends
to
siya
be at my
lahat?
best.
True ba?
So sweet.
I felt that. I felt
Sisters
that.
for life. You guys maybe get matching tattoos? No.
Nah.
No, we don't need to go there. Congratulations. I love 52 sisters.
Yeah,
You're
these
my
girls
sister.
are so sweet.
You're my sister.
Ah, yeah.
Bakla.
calling you.
Bakla to. I love her.
All right. gosh.
Come and join the top 10.
Quezon Province. Zambales. Sabi ko na nga, Quezon Province. Ayaw pa ka. Boy! Uy, in fairness, I love her. I love her na. Kasi masyadong sweet kasi.
Okay. All right. And the crowd goes crazy. We hear you. Okay. Okay. I see. But let's see if she can answer this question, okay? All right. If you were on a deserted island, I want to know, out of all these ladies here, who would you pick? And be smart about it now because you're stuck there.
Oh.
Who would it be and why?
How many can I pick? I'm sure a lot of the girls would feel bad if I just pick one. I have a lot of best friends in this competition. But I would pick Miss Carino because she is a mom.
Carino.
I know she would be able to take care of me, and I take care of her as well. Thank you.
Smart answer.
On point.
Always pick a mom.
Mm-mm.
Moms know
Yes.
what to do. You got that one. Congratulations. That was smart. I would too. You made it this far.
Ilan na lang? 3 na lang.
Kaita!
Ay! Siya! Asa na si Zambales? Diyos ko, Zambales. Bakit wala pa si Zambales? Si Kainta, perfect din kasi si Kainta talaga. Uy, in fairness, deserve.
Look at this look
This
of relief
dirt.
on your face. You are so excited.
I'm so excited to be here with these two queens. Yes, I am.
What a smile.
Okay.
Deserve.
We have a good question for you. You ready? Okay. Okay. Are you
Go.
ready? This is part of the Jeannie Mai Don't Lie talk show, okay? So I want to know, tell me a juicy secret you have never told anybody else before.
Oh my God, ang hirap na.
Are you kidding me? In front of the whole universe?
We're your family. It's Filipino.
Okay, well, I guess the secret would be that I have so much hairspray on, I am extremely flammable. So don't come near me, anybody with a lighter.
That's good.
I love that. I love
You.
that.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure you stay safe over there. Okay, thank you so much.
Uy, I love Kainta. Rooting for her.
That was funny.
Rooting for
That was
Kainta.
so smart.
Go.
Yes. All right, we're down to 2 spots left. Only 2.
Doon na lang.
And this 9th spot
Zambales.
goes to you.
Zambales.
Zambales.
Yes! I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Come on, look at
Are
that.
you freaking out?
Yeah, I'm so happy and
She's shaking. Okay, I'm gonna.
Diba? Come
Let's
on.
give her her question. She's
Deserve.
going right now.
Deserve.
Okay, this is a juicy one. Let's say you're about to go on a date with someone who's never gone on a date with someone Filipina. You get to take them anywhere and do anything you want. What's the date?
ooh, as we all know that our country has so much to offer, and in my province as well, we have so
Patrick
many
Sanya
tourists,
Lopez.
incredible tourist destination, and I would love to date that, foreign man at first to drop by to my home because we would have the time to share a simple yet sumptuous home-cooked meal prepared by my mom.
I love that!
That through that moment, he will know and experience
Oh my God, naiyak ako. Ang ganda ng sagot
how
niya.
Filipino are. And I think that is the reason why
Yeah.
they will not just visit, but they will keep coming back to Philippines.
Yes! Ay, puta ka. Ano pa? Ang ganda ng sagot niya. Ang ganda ng sagot niya. Nakakaiyak. Pero mas
For us
nakakaiyak.
Filipina and for our food.
Yes! I love that.
Good day. Thank you so much.
I love that.
I mean,
home
home
cooked
meals, yeah. Once you go Filipina, they tell you about longanisa.
Yes.
And I'm paying for that dinner.
You have to try it, our longanisa.
Galis.
It's getting hot in here.
One na lang.
One last spot. This is it.
One last spot remains. And the last delegate advancing to the top 10 is
Sino ba?
Baguio!
Ay, Baguio. Nakalimutan ko si Baguio pala. Oo, andito pa si Baguio. Nakalimutan ko, andito pa pala si Baguio.
Congratulations, you made it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's get to know you a little bit better.
Ganda niya.
Hard question, or maybe not for you. What makes Filipino women the most awesome, amazing women in the world?
Every Filipino men are empowered women. And I see it through my mother because when my father passed away, I see the courage, the
God, she's so
drive
pretty.
to be strong, to take care of our family. And I believe that that is the true essence of how every empowered Filipino woman should really emanate up to now.
She's so pretty. My God, ang ganda niya.
Empowered women, they love our moms.
Ang ganda
Check out
niya.
these
Tapos
10
na.
women right here.
Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The top 10. Oh, deserve lahat. Deserve lahat ng mga nagustuhan ko ng swimsuit. Deserve. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.